Okay, now if you look on page 43 in your notes packet, you'll see this example about halfway down the page. And so I've changed it just a little bit to accommodate more of the assignment questions that you guys are going to see. So we're going to, on number 16, we're going to define h of x to be f plus g. And we need to find h prime of 2. So I'm going to find this by just applying different rules that I've learned so far. So if I just have a function plus another function, then its derivative h prime of x, I just find the derivative of each individual function. So when you have two added functions together, find the derivative of each and add them together. So if I need to find h prime of 2, then I'll find f prime of 2 and add it to g prime of 2. Well, it tells me f prime of 2 is 6, so this can equal 6, plus g prime of 2 is negative 2. So then I'm getting that h prime of 2 equals 4. Yay. Next question. Take off that exponent. We're not going to raise it to a power. We're just going to basically do gf minus g. So if I've got two functions being subtracted, then I'll just find the derivatives of each individual one. So h prime of x would be derivative of f prime of x, or sorry, f prime minus g prime. Derivative of each individual one. So then h prime of 2, I'll need to know f prime of 2 and subtract g prime of 2. So f prime of 2 is 6. G prime of 2 is negative 2. So 6 minus negative 2, that means h prime of 2 is 8. Then number 18, I'm working with finding the derivative of two functions being divided. So if I want to find the derivative of two functions being divided, then I need to use the quotient rule because that is a quotient. I need to apply the quotient rule. So h prime of x equals the low, which is g, derivative of the high, f prime, minus the high, f, derivative of the low, g prime, all over low, or all over g of x squared. So then if I want to find h prime of 2, I need to find g of 2, multiply it by f prime of 2, subtract f of 2 multiplied by g prime of 2, all over g of 2, but then I'm going to square that. So then let's substitute in what we know. G of 2 is 3. F prime of 2 is 6. So 3 times 6 minus, now I need f of 2. F of 2 is negative 3. G prime of 2 is negative 2. All over g of 2, which we did not define, so I'll just leave it as g of 2 squared. Oh no, we know g of 2. G of 2 is right here. G of 2 is 3. G of 2 is 3, so all over 3 squared. And then from there, it's just some arithmetic. So h prime of 2 is going to be 3 times 6 is 18, minus 6 over 9, and 18 minus 6 is 12 over 9, and 12 over 9 is 4 over 3. Then you have some composition. So now we can use the chain rule. First of all, identify your outside function. Outside function in this case is going to be f. Inside function is going to be g. So then when I want to find h prime, I'll take derivative of the outside, just carry the g down, times the derivative of the inside. That's a chain rule. Chain rule. So if I need to find h prime of 2, I need to take f prime of g of 2 times g prime of 2. So I need to erase what I have. I might need to also zoom out so we can see a little bit better. Okay, let's erase all these stray marks up here. Erase, 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 erase. Let's fill in what we know. Okay, so I'm going to have to find f prime of g of 2, g of 2, g of 2. G of 2 is 3. So f prime of 3 times g prime of 2. G prime of 2 is negative 2. So times negative 2. So f prime of 3 is 4. So this would be 4 times negative 2. So h prime of 2 is negative 8. So these look a little intimidating, but they're actually quick. There's not a lot of algebra involved. You just have to know your rules. So good luck on this. If you need anything, reach out and let me know. I'll see you all soon.